One more time, welcome to Drake University football up in Ames as the Drake Bulldogs get ready to match up with the 24th ranked Iowa State Cyclones. Drake 7-3 on the season. The PFL season's over, finished 6-2 in that, tied for second. Cyclones looking forward to a bowl game, and today is kind of Drake's bowl game.
This is a gift. You weren't able to play that last game. It's a gift. Okay, what do you do with a gift, man? You tear off the package and you lay into it. That's what we get to do. Okay, we get one more chance to play this game. Let's have a blast doing it. Let's go, man. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I told you this morning, okay, what I wanted us to do is fight to win the next play by playing Drake football, okay? And that's what you did. And you should be extremely proud of that.